Good morning, student. This is class 11 chemistry. Very important topic, calculation of the molecular mass, percentage composition, volume and molecules. So yesterday in the last video you have studied about the mole, atom and molecules. How to calculate the molecular mass of any substance. Molecules are formed by the number of atoms, and atoms have individually its atomic mass, and that mass has unit, atomic mass unit. Suppose any molecule is there, that is CO2 molecules. So in this molecule you are seeing one C atom and two O atom. When we calculate the molecular mass of CO2, molecular mass of CO2, so what we have to do, we have to add all the atomic masses of all atoms present in a molecule. There are one carbon atom, so 1, and mass of one carbon atom is 12 AMU. Then plus, because we are going to add another atom's atomic mass. This is oxygen. How many oxygens are there? 2 oxygens are there. So 2, and atomic mass of oxygen is 16. So 16. In this way, this will be 12 plus 44, no, 32. So it will be 44. This is the molecular mass of CO2 molecules. Now see another example. If you want to calculate molecular mass of NH2, CO, NH2. This is the formula of urea. There are 2 N atom. So when we write the molecular mass 14 plus 1 into 2, that's mean atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 and there are 2 atoms, plus 12 for carbon, 16 for oxygen, plus 14 plus 1 into 2. So in this way, this is 14 plus 2 plus 12 plus 16 plus 14 plus 2. This equals to 60. Molecular mass of urea is 60. Next, I am going to tell you some different type of example. Suppose you want to calculate the molecular mass of Na2CO3 dot 10H2O. Na2CO3 dot 10H2O. So how you will calculate? There are 2 Na atom. Atomic mass of Na is 23. So 23 into 2 plus 12 plus 16 into 3. Now you are seeing here dot. So what we have to use here? Plus we have to use. Plus 10 into, in bracket, this is H, that means 1 into 2 plus 16. So this will be 46 plus 12 plus 48 plus 10, and this will be 18. This is 106 or plus 180. So what will be 6, 8 and 2. This is Na2CO3.10H2O. Its name is washing soda and its molecular mass is 286. After the calculation of molecular mass of any molecule, you can calculate the percentage of element present in it. Suppose in any molecule 3 elements or 4 elements are present and you want to calculate the percentage of each element. So you can easily identify or calculate the percentage of that element. This is the formula of glucose, C6H12O6. Suppose you want to calculate the molecular mass and then the percentage of the carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. There are 3 elements present in it. So you can easily calculate it. How you will find the percentage of element present in any molecule? First of all, we have to calculate the molecular mass of the molecule. So molecular mass, that's equal to 12 into 6 plus 1 into 12 plus 16 into 6. This is 72. This is 12 and this will be 96. So this will be 180. If you want to calculate the percentage of all element, so one by one you have to find out. If you want to calculate any one, suppose you want to calculate the percentage of carbon. So what you have to write? Percentage of carbon. See in the formula, how many carbons are there? There are 6 carbon. So write 6. What is the atomic mass of carbon? That is 12 upon what you have calculated molecular mass, that is 180, and into 100. If you want to find the percentage, write 100. So 10 like this, 6 1s are 6, 3s are 18, 3 1s are 3, 4s are 12. That's mean 40%. What do you understand about the percentage of carbon is 40 in the formula C6H12O6. It's mean if you want to prepare glucose 100 gram, so you have to take 40 gram carbon. Or if you have glucose 100 gram, so in that 40 gram carbon is there. You can calculate percentage of any element present similar to like carbon. Another example I am giving to you to find the percentage of some difficult questions. See, suppose question is this: calculate the percentage of water of crystallization in CuSO4.5H2. So what we have to do, Given atomic mass of Cu is 64, atomic mass of sulfur is 32, atomic mass of oxygen is 16, and hydrogen is equals to 1. What we have to do? First of all, we have to calculate the molecular mass. So molecular mass of CuSO4 64 plus 32 plus 16 into 4 plus, see here, in place of the dot we should not multiply here, we have to write plus here. 5 into 1 into 2 plus 16. So 64 plus 32 plus 64 again plus 5 into this will be 18. When you will solve this completely, you will get 250. And what you want to calculate? You want to calculate the percentage of water of crystallization. In this formula you are seeing there are 5 water of crystallization. So percentage of H2O. So what we have to write? First we have to write 5, then the molecular mass of water, that is 18, upon molecular mass what you have calculated here, that is 250, and you want to calculate percentage, so multiply by 100. So cut this 0 by this, 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, and that's equal to 36%. In this way you can calculate any element's percentage in the formula, or you can calculate percentage composition of water present in any molecule, any substance. Now we are moving to the next point, that is the volume. Yesterday in the last video we have studied about the mole. When we calculate the mole of any gas, suppose 1 mole of SO2 gas at standard temperature and pressure contain 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules, and that means these molecules when keep in a container, suppose these are 6.022 molecules at STP, standard temperature pressure, how much volume they will require, how much large container, what should be the volume of container to keep these number of molecules of any gas, that is called molar volume. 1 mole of any gas at STP occupy 22.4 liter volume. So in this way you can calculate the volume of any gas at STP. Suppose you want to calculate the volume of SO2, 6.4 gram SO2 at STP. So what we have to do? First of all we have to convert into mole. So molecular mass of SO2, that's equal to 32 plus 32, that means 16 into 2, that will be 64. Mole is equals to gram mass upon molecular mass. So 6.4 upon 64, that's equal to 0.1. This is mole. So 0.1 mole. If you want to calculate the volume of 0.1 mole, 0.1 mole occupy, that's equal to 0.1 into 22.4, that's equal to 2.24 liter. I think you understand how to calculate the molecular mass, how to calculate the percentage of element present in it, and the volume of the gases. Thank you. Have a nice day.